What is going on, guys? Today is a big day for the channel. Right now, we got the RM125 up on a little bit of a lift right here in a garage. Whose garage? My buddy Ray's garage. And as you can see, man, there's no light bar, there's no turn signals, there's no electronics. All the electronics have pretty much been stripped off this bike. That's because I had to use them for the 450, all right? The RM is stripped down in true dirt bike form. It has no lights. It is not currently street legal. I still have the plate for it and everything, but I do not want to leave it like that. The RM is what started this channel. It's gonna stay on this channel, and I got big plans in store for it today. I'm pretty hyped. This is about to be Make the RM Great Again, Part 3, the never-ending series.
Yo. Stroy don't even rap no more. Is this what y'all been asking for? Always losing bread, then lose my head inside another hole.
One thing I do want to say before we start this video, these plastics that are on the RM have been absolutely scuffed for like the past year and a half. Pretty much ever since I got this thing. They were nice, I crashed it a lot, they turned bad, and they've been terrible for pretty much my entire ownership of this bike. Like, god dang, they are bad. I haven't gotten plastics until this point because I basically just wanted to spend money on things that were gonna keep the bike running, and I wasn't worried about the appearance. But my guy on Instagram, Bike Life YZ80, decided to ship me out this kit, this Polysport kit. It's the stock plastics that are on the bike right now, just gonna be fresh. It's gonna look brand new, and I just wanted to say shout out to you, man. Bike Life YZ80, follow that fool. He just wanted to go above and beyond in supporting the channel, so I love you, my guy. Thank you. Over here, man, you see the box. We got the fresh plastics. Same colors we're gonna be throwing on there. New grips, very much needed. Tail light, and then there's some other stuff in there. We're gonna rig this thing up with a tail light and a headlight, just the minimal stuff that you need to go on the street, and we're about to make the harness completely from scratch. I think a lot of people might be interested in, we're not gonna use any harness from anywhere. We're just gonna make our own. This is Ray. He's the shop assistant today. We are about to just tear it down, get all the plastics off, get access to the frame, and then we should be able to start routing wires and soldering, crimping. I don't know. We got a lot of stuff that we're gonna do, so.
Money, women, diamond sword. I'ma get them either or. Long as I can see the show. Flow deeper than ocean floors. Bitch, I'm Poseidon. Don't I rock it on the regular? This shit Leonard.
Bolts.
Got a boatload of the dopest quotes, the dopest poet off a dope.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is put these new grips on. I got new OD lock-on grips. Probably like the best grip you can buy, in my opinion. Do you agree, Ray? Lock-on grips. Quality stuff. I've had these ones on there for a long time. They're absolutely destroyed. Make the arm great again. Step one. Yeah. These boys got the silver accents on the end. Ooh.
My mama say I need the pole.
So in the midst of changing the grips, we found out that the clutch perch is actually almost completely cracked off. Probably good, right? I mean, it's been holding in there. Might as well leave it. Clappers only, you know how it is.
Mama say I need some hope. I just think I need the smoke.
Try that tune game out.
Can't do it, dude. I haven't tuned in so long.
Oh.
Well, where you been at? If not your girl, then with the homies. Then I passed it to my homie like.
Grips ain't never coming off. I need a relationship as tight as these grips. Oh.
Locked and loaded, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to OD. Sponsor me. I'm gonna need new grips in about 2 days, so. But you know, when they're fresh, they look beautiful. Just don't drop the bike.
Don't drop the bike.
All right, grips are on. Next thing we got on the list is this. You probably have no idea what this is. I barely know what this is, but it's a rebuild kit for the front master cylinder. This brake is
atrocious.
One of the nastiest feeling brakes I've ever even seen. It does not work at all. You can be going like 30 miles an hour, put like all 4 fingers on this thing, squeeze as tight as you can, and it won't stop within like 100 meters. It's bad. And it just sounds terrible. We're gonna try and rebuild this, bleed it, and hopefully that's gonna help. Can you tell this thing's been flipped over upside down a couple times? Yikes.
She gave us that.
It takes a lot of talent to film yourself and work on a bike at the same time. Y'all don't appreciate me enough. Woo-wee. You should probably change your brake fluid before it turns black. That's probably a sign that your brake is not gonna work, so.
Pro tip.
Don't do what I do. Do your maintenance. Yeah. Here she comes. Ooh. She's gonna need a rebuild. If the seals are bad, does that just let air in? Pretty much.
Yeah. It'll let air in or it just won't build pressure. Oh, that's a little plunger. Pushes and builds pressure. Need some circlips. pliers. So you just gotta pay attention to the way it comes out of here. You got your circlip, your little washer. That bad dad just pulls all the way on out.
It's the springy boy.
It's the springy boy. When you're reinstalling these seals, first to get them out of the bag, and then you see that hole on the inside of one's a little bit bigger as it goes down there as the other one goes all the way up front. Gotta pay attention to that. You also want to go ahead and get you some fluid on hand, and after you clean everything down, dry it all off, go ahead and lube it back up. You aren't trying to get that on something dry.
Flight attendant assistance. Then she compliment a man about his nappy.
Oh yes.
Let's go.
This is Stroy's narrative. Every word so imperative. Live, job, success. Man, these rappers sound so embarrassing. YP in it, yes, I love the game. I'm about to marry it. Till I cop a Maybach, make it blacker than my heritage. I'm about to drown your girl inside this tub, man. Bury it. Make
So Jay hits me up and he's like, hey, who can help me put lights on my bike? And then I ask him where his switch is, and he whips
It's right here.
this entire rat's nest out.
You don't know what this is? I don't know what any of this is either, but I do know somewhere in here we have a switch.
Oh, we got
right?
a switch.
We got a switch with a bunch of wires on the end that I don't know what they do. So we got that, and then this brake light, and then there's a headlight.
Oh, we got a new headlight.
So this is exactly what I'm running on the 450 right now. Headlight, China tail light, and then we're gonna try and build it off of this switch, and that's that.
Bet.
We're just gonna try and get the headlight mounted and some of the wiring kind of figured out. So Raymond right here has the switch. He's gonna try and work on that, see if he can figure out what's going on. And I got this Amazon light freaking bar clamp thing. These basically are gonna clamp onto the bar, and then I need to find a way to get this to the headlight, mount it up solid using some 90 brackets. It's gonna be a lot of trial and error, but we're gonna figure it out, trust me, we're gonna figure it out. We'll be right back. I just threw these brackets on here, these little Amazon brackets, and then these 90s are what came with the light. All we had to do is pretty much put these on the bars and bend them up a little bit so that they're vertical, and it's looking like this bar is just gonna bolt in, something like that. That is a pretty clean finish. We're gonna have to move these brackets in a little bit more. And hey, that's the most solid secured light bar I've ever had on any of my bikes. No zip ties needed this time. You love to see it. This setup is looking pretty good. It's like low profile right on the bar pad. Shout out to Upbeat Yamaha for recommending these parts. I'm pretty sure this is exactly what he runs on his 450, but god dang, I'm kind of impressed by myself. Just another thing that was wrong with this bike, the kill switch actually got like completely chopped off in the middle of it, so it hasn't been working forever. I've had to like stall the bike out to get it to stop. We're about to just solder this back together, make the kill switch work again.
Look at my hands, yeah.
Oh, this is a never before seen strategy. It's working. What? Did that just work?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Certified.
In my eyes, I'm a hard-working man, and ain't nothing no surprise. Round my
The kill switch is fixed. The headlight is mounted. Next thing we're gonna do is put the new tail fender on. The new tail piece. What's it called?
Tail fender.
The new tail fender. Put the new tail fender on. Get this thing mounted somehow, and then just run wires to them. And we're pretty much just gonna run power and ground out of these and the headlight to a simple on-off switch. It's not going to be like fancy with turn signals or anything. It's just going to be on, and then the headlight will turn on, tail light will turn on, and then the brake light will work. But that's all we're going to run on this bike. So first things first, we got to get the first new plastic that's going on this bike. Man, that thing is more yellow than ever. The banana's back.
with a couple guys that are going make a play, cause it's fucking at the 5 look.
Oh, this is simply too nice.
God damn.
Headlights getting wired. Do you want to explain what you're doing right now?
Oh, we're going to have the battery in the airbox. The ground will be switched, so you'll have positive go from the battery down to the brake light switch, which will go out to the tail light, and then also from the positive, it'll come straight up to the headlight, and then off the ground for the battery, it'll come up to our switch, and then respectively to the headlight and the tail light.
Easy math. If you think
Easy,
about it.
just that simple.
Man, it's different when you're path aligning with the sky. It's pure pleasure when you feel.
So white will go to ground. This guy gets connected to here.
So those two to the battery. Turn this on. Whew. You got headlight. You got tail light and brake light should work. Wait. It does work, but I don't think it has power.
Shit, yeah.
That's a success. Only 10 hours later.
What's inside?
At least they're clean as heck,
So it's
son.
time for me to fly. European whiskey, see me sliding.
We're rocking with the plastics now. Front number plate. Going on, dude. The RM has been asking for this for years. Literally everyone in the comments has been asking for this for years.
That's it.
Look how fresh that is.
Come on, brother.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like to drive, so I let my shoulder choose to ride. Life is mad different when you the only guy.
Those things have been broken for so long.
God damn.
It's a new bike. That is ridiculously crispy.
Crispy as a 5-piece.
This thing is yellower than ever.
But I'm grateful for this journey.
Air filter is being cleaned right now. It's drying, so that's going to go in later. I need to put the right connectors on this to connect to the battery that we have, so that's got to get done. But for now, we're just going to put the seat on.
Who
Call it a
stapled
night.
this seat cover on here? A cat?
We stapled this seat cover on there with a terrible staple gun at ROC in between rides. We were like in the Airbnb, like frantically trying to staple it. It was bad.
Just tell people a cat did it. Drop a comment if you want Jay to get a fresh new bolt kit for this thing. Got these crispy ass plastics and these busted ass rusty 2000s bolts.
Yeah, the bolts are really bad. You know the vibe. Clappers only.
Clappers only. Whoa!
I know.
Get them out! Whoa!
Who put the oil on the white?
Who decided to put white plastics on this RM?
The bolt hole for this actually like fell out, so I need to like JB weld that in there or super glue it so that it's like that. You can actually thread a screw into it. But it's like 10:30 at night. Make the RM great again. Not completely done. We still got some work to do. For tonight, man, this thing's looking pretty crispy. Those grips too.
Improvise.
Raymond, you did well. And we can do the high five now. Boom!
Oh, hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, the most important part.
Oh my god.
She's minty.
Build complete.
I'm over heads like I'm flying with the seagulls. They ain't never seen an Asian cat giving free heat strokes. Coming from the streets, I'm handing out.